Hey guys, what's up? It's Sculler85 back with another unboxing. And this time, as you can see, it's for Spider-Man Miles Morales. So on PS5. So yeah, I finally managed to get a PS5 on, what day are we on now? Saturday? On Thursday. So yeah, set it up and yeah, really, I've been trying to get one for months and yeah, it took me about 10 months to actually get one, but as you can see, finally got it. So yeah. But yeah, so yeah, needle boxes because I'm diabetic, but there we go. So yeah, it says it's the Ultimate Edition, but I had to buy this pre-owned because they didn't have any new copies in stock. So it doesn't include the remaster version of Spider-Man. So, but never mind. So inside we have the disc and some rather nifty artwork. So yeah, and then obviously side and back. Be greater, be yourself. And the install size is 105 gig minimum. So, and yeah, the DualSense controller is something else in it. Bloody hell, it's amazing. But yeah, that's it for my quick unboxing of Spider-Man Miles Morales on the PS5, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Cheers, bye.